Hi students, how are you all? Hope you all are fine. We completed Unit 1 Reading A in our last 3 classes. Many of you watched, I hope all you have watched, and many of you have sent me hard words, meanings, as well as doubts they have sent me through WhatsApp. Very good, and keep it up. You also have to attend all the classes regularly and watch these videos regularly. In our last 3 classes, we talked about the town mouse and the country mouse. What the town mouse liked and disliked, what the country mouse liked and dislikes in our previous lesson, that is town mouse and the country mouse. Today we shall see Reading Beats poem written by Irene Thompson. The Town Child, the Country Child. These are 2 poems. Okay, these are 2 poems. The Town Child is one poem. The Country Child is another poem. They are side by side in our textbook. Now you open your textbook, page number 16. The Town Child. Okay. Today we shall go with poems. The Town Child and the Country Child. It is written by Irene Thompson. Okay. It is our Unit 1B reading. I will read out and you look at the textbook and follow the textbook. If you have any hard words, you note down and underline and send it to me. I will give you a reply. Okay, let us go. Here in this poem, the town child who lives in town, he is telling about his feelings. How does he feel? He is telling about his feelings through this poem. Or this poet Irene Thompson is telling about her feelings in the form of the town child. How is he feeling when he lives in town? How does the country child feel when he lives in country? Okay, let us go. I live in the town, in a street. It is crowded with traffic and feet. There are buses and motors and trams. I wish there were meadows and lambs. Again, I live in the town, in a street. It is crowded with the traffic and feet. There are buses and motors and trams. I wish there were meadows and lambs. Through this stanza, the town child is feeling. How is he feeling? Okay, I live in a town, in a street. Okay, the town child is living in town, in a street in the town. It is crowded with traffic and feet. Everywhere in the town, it is crowded with traffic. Traffic means buses, cars, lorries, everything. Okay, and feet. Feet means people. Okay, who walk on the streets. People. The town is filled with traffic and many people. There are buses and motors and trams. Trams means there are tram cars, who go by or who run by wires. Okay, electric wires. They are called as trams. There are buses, motor cars and trams also. I wish there were meadows and lambs. I wish meadow, a field with grass and wildflowers. Okay, meadows means a place there is grass and wildflowers. When we feel relaxed by looking at that. Okay, often we don't find like these meadows in towns because everywhere traffic and people, we don't have meadows in towns. That's why the town child is telling, I wish there were meadows and lambs. I feel, or I wish there are meadows, there are grass fields and lambs. Lambs means animals. Okay, everywhere. So that I feel very happy to be there. In the first stanza, the town child is telling. Look at the second stanza. The houses all wait in a row. There is smoke everywhere that I go. I don't like the noises I hear. I wish there were woods very near. The houses all wait in a row. The town child is telling the houses that are in a town, like all in a row, okay, one by one, without any gap, like standing people in a row. There is smoke everywhere that I go. Everywhere, wherever I go, smoke is there because of the traffic, because of the buses, cars, lorries, trains, and aeroplanes. There is everywhere smoke in the in the town. I don't like the noises I hear. I don't like the noises I'm hearing every day. I hear every day. I don't like all these noises. I wish there were woods very near. I wish there are forests, there are trees where there is silence. Okay, silent place where there are trees are called woods. A forest, a kind of forest. Okay, though so the town child is telling that he doesn't like all the smoke and the noises that were made by the lorries, cars, and all. He wishes that, or he feels that some silent, some forest is near to him so that he could live happily and quietly. Okay, look at the third stanza. There is only one thing that I love. Okay, he is not loving, he doesn't love all the things that are in the town. He loves only one thing, and that is the sky far above. He likes only the sky that is which is far above from him. There is plenty of room in the blue. Why he said is blue? Because the sky is blue. That's why he said there is a plenty of room. There is plenty of room in the blue, which means there is plenty of room in the sky for castles of clouds and me too. What is meant by castle? Castle. Castle is a large, strong building. It is not castle, it is castle. Okay, CASTLE. T is silent here. That's why we have to pronounce it as a castle. It means a large, strong building. The town child is telling that there is so much space, there are so many rooms in the sky, because why he is telling there are so many castles in the sky means the cloud makes so many castles because the clouds are there in the sky. For castles of clouds and me too. Okay, for clouds there are so many clouds in the sky, and for the clouds as well as for me also there is a place. The town child says through this poem. So through this poem the town child feels that he does not, everywhere traffic is there and there are buses, cars, tram cars, everything, and he feels that near to him there are some meadows as well as some animals. Lambs means animals. Okay, lambs means goats and all. And he says that all the town is covered with all the houses in a row, like standing position, and smoke everywhere, and traffic and noise that he doesn't like. He also feels that some woods are there near to him. Okay, finally he tells that there is only one thing that he loves, that is the sky that he loves, because there are there are so many clouds in the sky. So for the clouds as well as for him also there is a place. Through this poem, the town child, Irene Thompson tells about the lifestyle of the town and how he disliked the town. Okay, I hope you understood this poem. You underline the hard words. There are also rhyming words you can look at. Okay, there are rhyming words we can find. Let us underline the rhyming words. Okay, see here, street, rhyming words. Okay, street and feet. Street and feet. Trams, lamps. Trams, lamps. Row, go. Row, go. Here, near. Here, near. Next, love, above. Love, above. Blue, me. Blue, two. Blue, two. Okay, once again, repeat after me. Street, feet. Trams, lamps. Row, go. Here, near. Love, above. Next, blue, two. Okay, these are the rhyming words. You can underline them. You can underline them and note it down in your notebooks. And also, you underline in your textbook also. Okay, students. So, you go through this poem once again and once again for a better understanding, so that you will understand in a better manner, and write down the hard words so that I will reply to you. Okay, thank you children.